I'm Alya, and I'm a volunteer for Cooking Matters. Today we are going to be making some chocolate strawberry French toast.
Hello, my name is Roxolana. I'm a volunteer with Cooking Matters and helping Alya.
Always remember to wash your hands. For this recipe, we will need 8 medium strawberries, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar,
1, 2,
1 large egg, half cup low-fat milk, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, non-stick cooking spray, and 4 slices of whole wheat bread.
Is that all, Alya? That's the recipe?
That is the recipe.
Hey, good. Alya, are you ready?
I am. Are you ready?
I am ready. All right. We have rinsed always rinse strawberries. We have done that. Cut off leafy tops. Slice 1/8 inch thick.
When you are cutting a strawberry mixture or any fruit or vegetable, make sure to have the flat parts always on the ground.
In a small bowl, whisk cocoa powder and sugar together with a fork and set aside. Mix it well. In a second small bowl, beat egg with a fork until blended. It's well blended. Good. Alya, coat medium skillet with non-stick cooking spray. Heat over medium heat. Dip 1 piece of bread in egg mixture and flip to coat both sides. Remove from egg mixture, shaking off any excess egg coating. Place quickly in hot skillet. Cook until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And after it's done cooking, you remove it from the pan.
Repeat steps 5 and 6 until each piece is coated. This one's going to be mine. If I can grab it.
Go grab it.
You can have this. Thank you. Top each piece with 3 tablespoons strawberries. Dust generously with the cocoa powder mixture. There you have it, some delicious French toast that the whole family will enjoy.
Enjoy.